Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, first verify whether VS Code comes as the default application. See here, we don't have Visual Studio Code. Okay, so open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to VS Code official website, that is code.studio.com. Then click on download or click on this download for Linux. See here, we have to select this .debian package or go to download, then click on this .debian. See here, we have the Debian or Ubuntu type operating system. Okay, so click on it to download. No need to register. See, download started and its size is about 142 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download completed. Now open terminal, then go to downloads, LTS. See here, we have the code Debian package. Install it sudo dpkg -i code, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill enter Debian package. Hit enter. What is the password of the sudo user? Hit enter. See, we are installing VS Code latest version 1.117. Add Microsoft APT repository for Visual Studio Code. Select as and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, show applications. See here, we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, you got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, the other way to open is close this one. Just type code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the VS Code. Okay, so we have successfully installed LS. This file is not required anymore, so I am deleting it to clear the space. RM VS Code, press the tab to autofill enter Debian package name, hit enter. LS, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code latest version on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.